Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So on this video I'm going to show you how I got to retouch this image and also did color grading on it. So without wasting much time, let's just get to it. So on this video I used my action in retouching this image. So if you're interested in getting this action, check the description, you see a link on how to get it. So without wasting much time, let's just get to it. So first of all, I'm going to duplicate this background layer right here, which I'm just going to press my command J to duplicate it. So after duplicating the background layer, I'll just click on the action. So after clicking the action, this is what's going to show. So to pick this, I'll just take it to 0.1, then sample any part on the image face, like this first area. So I'm just going to adjust it till when I can't find texture. So like this, I can't see the texture right here. So you check it from here. So I can't see the texture. I'll just hit OK. So after hitting OK, I'll come to my mixer brush and I'll change this point to clean brush, and also the weight at 30, the load at 30, mix at 30, and flow at 25. So once all of this is checked, just come and right click and make sure your hardness is on 0. So after that, you are good to start brushing. So I'm just going to, and also the high frequency layer right here is for the skin texture. So if I'm taking off blemishes, I'm using this high frequency layer. So the low frequency is for the skin color. So if I'm brushing this image, I'm using the low, like now. So let me just start brushing so you guys can see how it works. So I'll just brush it like this. So I'll just brush this point like this. So make sure you don't mix the highlight and the shadows. So just try blending the two. So which is what I'm doing right here. Just blend it to make this image look smooth and really nice. So I'll just brush it like this. So you can see, just take note where I'm using a bigger brush and where I'm using a smaller brush, because that will really help your retouching. So I'm just going to brush this like this. So after this, I'm just going to pick some blemishes off. So I'm just come to the clone stamp. I love using clone stamp for that. So I usually keep this opacity at 98. So once all of that is checked, I'll come to a place that there is no blemishes. You guys can see there is no much. So I'm just going to take this hair off. So I'll come right here and sample a place that there is no hair, that it's smooth, and I'll just click on my option key and hold it, then pick the place that there is no blemishes and let go of the option and just replace it like this. So I'm just going to repeat the process to take this off. I'll just take this other part off, then I'll come to this nose, I'll take that off, then I'll come here. So I'm just going to brush this image. I'm not going to zoom it in to brush, so I'll just keep it like this. I'm going to remove this like there. So I'll come to this area, I'll just remove this and just a few. I'll take this off, and also this other one, I'll just take it off. So once I'm done with that, I'll come to the low frequency layer, then I'll pick up my mixer brush again, then I'll just make a finishing touch to the face area, just like this. So I'm just going to brush this like that. So once I'm done with the face, let me show you guys the before and after. So this is the before and this is the after. So this is the before and after. So you guys can see this point. So I'll come back to the clone stamp, then I'll take it to the high frequency layer, then I'll just sample this part, then replace it here. So once I'm done with that, I'll come back to the low frequency, then pick my mixer brush and I'll just blend that place. I pick up the blemishes, then I'll come to this hand area, just going to brush it like this. So just smoothing it like this. So you guys can see how I'm using the brush. I'm just turning it around like this. So I'll reduce the brush in this area. So because I don't want it to affect any other part, I just want it there. So I increase this. I increase it like this. So let me show you the before. This is the before and this is the after. So you guys can see how it's looking smooth. And I'll come to this area as well. Then just pick it off. So back to the face, I'll just blend it again like this. So once I'm done retouching this image like this, so let me show you the before and after. So I guess I need to take this off. So I'll come back to the high frequency, then I'll come to the chrome stamp, then I'll just click on the option to pick, then replace it. I'll come to the low frequency, I'll pick the mixer brush again just to blend it. So once I'm done with the frequency separation, which this is the before and after, the before and after. So what next I want to do right here is to color grade this image, which I'm going to use the selective color. So I'll just click on the selective color. So at first I'll adjust the red. I'll just take it to this other area. So you guys can see if I take it to this part, you see how it's looking. So I just want to enrich the red. So I also add a little bit of magenta, not too much. So the yellow, I'll also add yellow to this image. So I think that's fine. So just to make it look a little bit of have contrast on the color. So if I take it, you see how it's looking. So I add it to 4 or 3 is fine. So I'll come to the yellows. If I take it to this point, it's also enriching the red. So if I take it, you see, I want it here. So -14 is okay. And if I take it here, no. Yeah, I love this. So I'm just going to keep it at 3. And I also add yellow a bit. Then also the contrast. So let me show you the before and after, the before and after. So once I'm done with this, the next thing I'm to do is to come to the black. Then I'll just add black to 2. So again, I'll come to the brightness and contrast. I'll add brightness to 3, then contrast to 2. So once I'm done with this, I'll come to the color balance as well. So I just want to add red a bit, so 1 is fine. So and also I want to add yellow, so yellow 1 is also okay. So let me just group the 3 adjustments I did, which is the selective color, the brightness and contrast, and the color balance. So I'm just going to group. So let me show you this is the before and this is the after. So you guys can see how I enrich the colors, I make the colors pop with just these 3 adjustments. So let me show you again. This is the before and this is the after. So this is how I got to retouch this image and also color graded it to make the colors pop. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope this video is helpful. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel for more helping tutorial videos. But for now, I hope to see you in the next video. Bye for now.